Well, welcome to the draw for the Grand 8 Grand Slam of Darts a week on Friday. Do the draw today with me, Conor Lobby, Blair Findlay. We'll start off to ask you, Conor, who do you see as the favourites for this competition next week?
Well, you can look no further than yourself, probably, and Ian Lumsden as well.
Ian Lumsden. Blair, got any hot tips for this tournament?
Yeah, I'd have to say Lumsden as well. He's got some tournament experience, so I think
Of course,
he'll
yeah,
go
playing the
far.
court at the Decathlon.
One of the few players actually that haven't boarded up in his house as well.
Yeah, that's key. Him and Rennie Van Urshaw as well, and you can't be like the Dutch in competitions like these because they've got such a pedigree, for this competition.
And Ingram,
Michael Ingram, I've heard he's been on the practice board 8 hours a day for the past 3 weeks. Right, well we'll just go ahead with the draw, shall we? We'll just get you to do one at a time. First thing about the hat will be Group A. We'll do one from each group to start with, and then we'll work our way down from there. But as you pull them out, I'll do the numbers and write down the draw.
First player, Group A, number 13.
Number 13.
I'm looking for some.
First name out of the hat, favourite Ian Lumsden, top of the shot in Group A.
His top C's first, is it?
So Group B, the first player in Group B. Number 10, Jabba Russell, another big name out of the hat early
Take
doors.
a drink of your water for that one.
Where do you go from here? Group C, player 1.
Ah yes, a crowd favourite.
18,
Number 18.
Phil the Power Grant, another big name out early doors. Group D, top player in Group D. First match in Group
Number
D.
11.
Number 11, the Baron, Gordon Hardy. Right, second player in Group A, the first match of the evening against Ian Lumsden in Group A. Number 19 will be Rennie Van Urshaw. That should be a good one.
Arguably the two strongest players in the
In
competition.
the draw in the same group,
So far.
already looking like a group of death there in
So far.
Group A, I have to say. To go alongside Jabba Russell in Group B.
I do know
Number
that.
20, I think that is you turn around. Number 20, Ian Towns, or simply known as Towns,
Germans are known for their ability
To-
to darts.
and
but,
sport in general,
yeah.
efficiency.
He'll make a strong petition for winning it.
Yeah, you will do.
Number 2.
Group C, number 2, Callum Martin, unknown quantity in this competition, rank outsider, some may
Can't
say.
say that.
Maybe too upper class for this tournament. I don't know.
Alongside Gordon Hardy in Group D will be number 8, Flash, Graham Johnston, one of the old heads, been playing for a long time.
A real fan favourite there as well.
Yeah.
Number 4.
In Group A with Lummy and Rennie, number 4 is Chris Watson. No one knows much about his darting ability, but there you go.
Five.
Group B with Jabba and Tauno, Christopher Law. He's got a dartboard in his work, but last time I saw him play, it didn't look like he did.
And next up,
Group
Number
C,
one.
number 1, Bashi, the man from Yorkshire.
Graham Anderson.
Yorkshire, and good pedigree.
No mug and likes a cup of tea.
Yeah, no messing around with that.
Should be key to this competition. Group D alongside Hardy and G-Man.
16.
Number 16, the Nightmare, Blair Findlay, drawn himself out of the hat.
He's a good player, that is.
He'll have a chance.
He fancies chance in that group. Group A, player 4,
15.
number 15, Michael Ingram. Group B, player 4,
3.
number 3, Callum Hurd. He's got the belly for darts, that's for sure.
He's net around the field though, isn't he, at the end of the day? Nobody's going to give him much of a chance.
No.
Number 14.
Number 14 is myself, Kieran Findlay, in with Philip Grant, Callum Martin and Bashi.
Not a big scorer, but a good finisher.
That's what they say.
Ooh.
So in Group D.
7.
Number 7, Conor the Boy Lovey himself, Joe Knight, Blair and G-Man, Bad and Hardy, looking a tough group. The last name out for it is Gavin Jamieson in Group A. Completing the Group B lineup. Number 6, Clark Brecon. Perhaps a favourite, has played a lot of darts before. We'll see how he gets on in there.
Bit of a journeyman. Number 17.
Number 17, Granty Goldfinger Mitchell. And to complete the draw, the man who changed his darts this year, we'll see if it works out for him.
12.
Grant Jameson. Includes the draw for the Grand Slam of darts. Any thoughts?
Group A is obviously the tough one.
Looks tough in there, doesn't it? Rennie and Lumsden in there, Chris Watson as well.
The one that interests me is Group D. We've got Blair Finlay and Conor Love. You obviously play doubles together.
Yeah,
so
so
you know they're going to go head to head.
Yeah,
That's
and
gonna be
Grant Jameson in there as well, and Graham Johnston, he's been talking up his chance as well.
That'll be
so-
a tough group.
Yeah, apart from Gordon Hardy's in there, but yeah, somebody's got to win the consolation. Somebody's got to win the
somebody's got to
consolation
win,
cup, you
yeah.
know. Ah, well, that concludes the draw. See everybody a week on Friday.